Hello guys, what is up? Welcome to the Blue Raider channel. Right now, for my first video, I'll be landing in Anarchy Acres. To start off what to do, let's get some kills and a win. Watch out. Oh boy, where is all these people? Oh my gosh. Oh, I think it's over here. Alright guys, welcome. Oh, let's get some win for our first debut. Oh wait, fair man. Also guys, please subscribe, put likes and comment down below. Let's get some people to join. Let's do this. Oh, I see where it's at. I'm gonna head there now. Oh, minigun. Go figure.
Boys, Mom wants to see you when your game's over.
Got it.
Okay.
Chop chop. Chop chop.
Okay.
Get.
People left alive. 36.
Alright, I'm gonna rush these guys. Where are you guys? He's couldn't have left, could he? Scared cat. He knew I was too good for him. No, no. Unexpected. So someone didn't have a good day up here. Did they now? I just want two mats, so. So that far away. I swear. Guacamole. Man, if that happened in a battle, I'd be done for. Oh god. There's no one here. I'm so bored. I'm kind of afraid I'm gonna fall off again. Right. Alright, well, I'm here. That looks of it, so I'm gonna head towards the circle. Alright, let me see. Alright, that's the end retail. Not bad. That's not gonna really help my cause, will it? Maybe I should make like a base on top of retail. should move up this way. Oopsie daisies. Okay, let me just say, I saw that from. Where was it from though? That's what I'm worried about. Maybe it wasn't very good either. Found them. I just felt something sore in my head and I have no idea. Darn it! Alright guys, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel.